There's something powerful about choosing how and where you move your body. Whether it's the comfort of your living room or the wide open space of the beach, both have their own magic. And today, I want to explore the battle of beach workouts versus home workouts. Not to pick a winner, but to show you how each can challenge and elevate you in different ways. Let's start with beach workouts. There's no gym like nature. The sun, the ocean breeze, the sound of waves crashing, it's instantly energizing. It pulls you out of your head and into the moment. The sand creates natural resistance, making even simple exercises like lunges or push-ups so much harder. Your stabilizer muscles fire up, your core works overtime, and you burn more calories with every movement. Plus, you get the added benefits of vitamin D, fresh air, and the mental reset that only comes from being outdoors. The vibe alone can make you go that extra round. It's raw, it's real, and there's nowhere to hide. But let's be honest, not everyone has a beach around the corner. That's where home workouts shine. At home, it's all about accessibility. No commute, no excuses. You wake up, throw on your gear, and you're already there. It's efficient. And when you build the discipline to push yourself in your own space, without the waves, without the breeze, without an audience, that's a different kind of power. That's internal motivation. Home workouts also give you full control. You can follow online programs, set up a routine with your favorite music, and adjust the space to your needs. Over time, your home becomes your personal training ground, and that consistency, it builds results. Of course, both come with their own challenges. Beach workouts depend on weather. Wind, rain, or intense heat can throw your whole plan off. You're also limited by what you can carry, maybe a mat, some resistance bands, a bottle of water. You gotta get creative, which is fun but not always practical. Home workouts, on the other hand, can feel repetitive. The distractions are real: your phone, your bed, your fridge. And unless you switch things up regularly, it's easy to plateau or lose that spark. So what's the verdict? It's not about which one is better. It's about what you need in this season of your life. If you crave energy, challenge, and being in nature, hit the beach. If you're focused on routine, flexibility, and control, on your space at home. The key is to move with intention wherever you are. Both can transform you, both demand effort, and both prove that your limits are always further than you think, whether you're staring at the ocean or your living room wall.